Hey guys!
Okay, so we're putting in the whole packet because I don't fuck around. And you can use any noodles, but I prefer these because they're just spelt flour. They don't have any vegetable oils or anything. Okay, so then you can put whatever veggies you like. So I've got carrots that I'm going to steam up, and then spring onion and capsicum. And these are the noodles that I use by Dr. McDougall, and they've got some good vegan options. The ones I'm using are teriyaki. And I'm just going to put the whole thing in. They're vegan, of course. Steam the carrots, steam the capsicum, and the spring onion. Alright, and then once the noodles are done, you put the whole packet in. In that video I just put a little bit, but put the whole thing in, and then season it with some garlic powder, some turmeric, whatever you want, whatever taste you like. You can even have some vegan chicken flavour in there if you want as well. Alright, give that a little bit of a cook, and then put the veggies in the noodles, and there you have it. Vegan noodles. Quick, easy, healthy. Boom.